Cummins joins as a JV partner, prospects brighten up for Automotive Axles. Automotive Axles, a joint venture of over 4 decades from Kalyani Group for manufacture of automotive components using global technology from MERITOR Inc. USA. 4 manufacturing plants using global technology, major products, drive axle assembly, and drum and disc brakes, OEMs and aftermarket, 2 segments involving commercial vehicles, military vehicles and off-highway vehicles. Client list includes major OEMs of light, medium and heavy commercial vehicles. Of the various brands, Ashok Leyland is at the forefront. As regards off-highway, major names include Caterpillar, BEML and Godrej. Performance during the last 2 years makes FY23 in comparison to FY22 an year of reassurance, delivering sizable profits. But Q1 of FY24 has been a matter of concern as only marginal increase has been seen in the profits, although EBITDA percentage has moved up in comparison with previous year, but sequentially there is a fall. Concerns remain on OEM clients' cautiousness and also BS6 vehicles ramp up. Company's cash flow has got a strong operational generations. FY23 over 216 crores. Very healthy, but a major part of it moving into building inventory and receivables in FY23 as high as 165 crores. Fixed assets investment dwindling from a high of over 152 crores in FY19 to a low of 16 crores in FY23. Company has got 75% capacity utilization. Dividend has remained nominal, but free cash flow has been quite weak. The spare capacity of 20% gives the company an advantage in terms of strong operating leverage. Automotive Axles balance sheet unique as non-current assets dwindling, suggesting lower additions. Current assets sizable. Balance sheet size about 1150 crores. Contribution from equity quite impressive. Almost 2/3 of the total assets March 2023. Debt quite low, so also interest. Both return on equity and return on capital employed quite impressive. Cummins Inc., the global leader in manufacture of diesel and natural gas generators, acquired 100% stake of MERITOR in February 2022. Its open offer to Automotive Axle shareholders fetched only 145 shares. That keeps intact the shareholding pattern between Kalyani Group and Cummins. But what is going to make a lot of difference is the Cummins electrical CV domain and its power train assembly across the globe. Price movement on a daily chart from the time Cummins acquired in February 2022 till it completed the merger in Q1 August 2023 is quite interesting. The period covers results of 5 quarters starting from Q4 of FY22 going up to Q4 of FY23, and the price was moving up on the strength of better performance in FY23 all 4 quarters, and as a result the price moved up from 1714 to 2364, yielding a growth of 38% in market cap, revenue and profits, and beyond. Reached a 52-week high in May 2693, but Q1 of FY24 was a disappointment, being with very marginal growth. Immediately after Q4 results ensued the fall, and the price reached a level of 2232, which is incidentally closer to 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and it augurs well for the company as it might herald a further upward growth. And as we see, the strong 3 candles taking the price beyond 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 100 and 200 EMA places it above short, medium and long-term averages. And even in terms of Bollinger Band, we see the price in August moving from the lower band up to the upper band, which is seen in a backtesting in December 2022 with a similar pattern. Bollinger is trending upward, and starting from March 2020, the price appears in a strong ascending channel, but the concern is price, which had fallen below the lower band, has been moving up in August, but there is no sufficient volume support. Automotive Axles, a small cap company, market capitalization 3,373 crores, courtesy growing profit after tax, enjoys a PE multiple attractive at 19.9 times, which appears below the PE median of 24.5. The PE multiple has got the advantage of being below peers and industry. Company's payout is 30%, but cash generation being low, it's a bit volatile. Shareholding pattern is constant, strong between local and foreign partners, each holding 35.5%. Key positives is the rising government spending on infrastructure and public transport. The second point is higher interstate movement of goods and government's policy for voluntary vehicle scrappage, adding to further demand for companies' products. Automotive Axles is subject to the risk factors of auto component manufacturers, predominance of material cost in the overall cost structure, over 70% of revenue, input inflation passed on to customers, but it is with a lag, and to that extent risk persists. Automotive Axles margins in Q1 FY24 have been disappointing, and auto sector being cyclical is an addition to the risk factor. Cutting edge technology of Cummins globally, strong financial leverage, low debt, strong return ratios, growing auto market, courtesy, supportive government policy, concern, no addition to CAPEX, lower flowback, industry is cyclical and margins vulnerable. Hope you found this video on Automotive Axles to your liking. I am Vitthal Prabhu with the weekly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You can access similar videos at our info card on Stock Learning Simplified. We look forward to your likes, shares and comments. If you are new to the channel, may please subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.